Welcome to the MPSCU Money Minute. My name is Jennifer Gerson, and today we are talking boat loans. Picture the scene, you and your family out on the water, enjoying the sunshine and warm breeze, possibly fishing or just soaking up the rays on the bow of your new boat. At MPS, we know weekends were made for fun in the sun, which is why we offer some of the most competitive boat loan rates around. With rates starting at just 3.99% APR, what are you waiting for? Go to mpscu.org for more information and start planning your weekends out on the water. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.